Okay, I'm on Blimp Road in US1. There's the bike path south. This is on Cudjoe Key, and I'm gonna head back towards the mainland without further ado. Testing my video and wind reduction. I know this road pretty good. I try not to get myself in trouble here. Oh, there's a bump. Wasn't too bad of a bump. Back on the bike path. Okay. This is Cudjoe Key. We're coming up from Blimp Road. Our next real landmark will either be the old radio station or the daycare or the square grouper. I should show you the square grouper. It's got a pretty cool bar there too, I guess, if you're into bars. I know the restaurant is freaking awesome. Been there a few times, love it. I'm clipping right along here, but I know all the entries and exits. Always a bunch of birds in this section. They're out there again today on the left. I'm just gonna buzz through here without disturbing them. I see people taking pictures of them all the time. Pretty cool looking birds, most of them, all of them, what the heck. Again, that's on Cudjoe Key in between Blimp Road and the square grouper. North side of the highway. Mainland side of the highway. Oh, I got some company coming. Have to pay attention. May as well slow down a little just to be on the safe side. Howdy. Okay, we're gonna get some bumps up here, and I'm gonna slow down for them because they're spray painted yellow. Not too bad if you go slow. Go fast, it might ruin your day if you had a low tire. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. And back in the good. There's a square grouper. I gotta show you this. It's the square grouper bar and grill. And it's got this is an awesome place to eat, I'm telling you. And it's got the bar that's called My New Joint, because two joints are better than one. And that's a square grouper. That's a fish hook. And it's My New Joint 420 Lounge. Pretty cool. I had to show you that. That is quite the building. It's a real good place to eat in the lower keys though. Right about between mile 22 and 23 on the overseas highway. Okay, enough chatting. I'll get going again. I had to do that section. Okay, good to go. This will be the end of Cudjoe Key. It's got a blind corner you want to slow down for or announce yourself. That's my bell. Okay, coming back up to US1, we must do a crossing.